Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Harihi Om. So we saw the other prakriyas. Now we will enter into Yang Luganta Kriya. We saw Sannanta Pratyaya, Nich Prakriya, Sananta Prakriya. Now we will see Yang and Yang Luganta Kriya. They are same. Yang Prakriya or Yang Luk Prakriya. The Yang which comes, the Yang Pratyaya which comes will get look here. That's the only difference. You will have ya with in the form. You will not have ya in the form. But otherwise, they are both in the same meaning. But the difference is this will be in Atmanepada. This will be in Parasmanepada. Yang will be in Atmanepada. Yang look will be in Parasmanepada. That is the difference. Okay. Now, what is the meaning in which it comes? The sutra says, Dhatoho ekacho halade kriya samibhihare yang. Dhato ekache, dhatoho ekacho, dhatoho ekacho haladehe kriya samibhihare Kriya Samabhihare Yang. Yang Prathama Samabhihare Saptami. All these are all Saptami. Vishesham Visheshya. So he says Kriya Samabhihare. Kriya Samabhihare Samabhihararthe. Kriya Samabhihararthe. Or you can just say Samabhihararthe. Samabhihara means excellent or repetition. Pavan Punya or Atishaya. Whichever meaning you can take. So, Samabhiharartha, in Samabhiharartha, with haladi, ekacha, dhatu, you have yang. You have yang. The example taken in your book is bhu. Same bhu sattayam dhatu. Bhu sattayam, same dhatu. So bhu plus ya. In yang, nakara is it only. Ya remains bhu plus ya. San yangoho. You saw the sutra. San yangoho. Because of this, bhu becomes gets abhyasa. Bhu plus dvitva. It gets abhyasa. San yango does abhyasa for anabhyas dhatu. So you have when san or yang pratyaya follows. So you get bhu plus ya. Now you do abhyase charcha. Abhyase charcha rasvaha. You do both these sutras. So you have bhu plus ya. Abhyase charcha Hrasvaha. Both the sutras you have bhu plus ya. At this point, you have another sutra. You have another sutra which says Guno Yang Lukoho. Guno Yang Lukoho. Yang Lukoho Saptami. Gunaha Prathama. So, when Yang or yang look follows, guna takes place. Guna takes place for what? The dhatu. Abhyasa of dhatu. Abhyasa of the dhatu. The abhyasa gets gunaha when yang or yang look follows. Now you have bhu, which is abhyasa, purvo abhyasa. So because of this guno yang lukoho, you get a gunaha. Guna for bhu is a bo plus bhu plus ya. You have bo bhuya. With this you will bring in tip. Bo bhuya plus ti. The form is bo bhuyati. No, you cannot bring in tip. You will bring in ta, atmane pada. Tangana atmane padam. So you will bring in a, because yang will always be in atmane pada. Bo bhuya plus ta. Tita atmane padanam tere. The t becomes a. Bo bhuyate. Bo bhuyate. That is the form. Bo bhuyate means that which exists, that which happens again and again, or that which happens very nicely. In both meanings you can say exists or happens. Bo bhuyate. Then the next topic, you have brought yang. The next yang look takes place. Yang look takes place. Sutra is yango chi cha. Yango chi cha. Yango chi cha. Yangaha sashti, achi saptami, cha avyaya. The sutra says yang when followed by ach also. When followed by ach means ajadi pratyaya. Ajadi pratyaya. Also means here va. Whether yang is followed by ajadi pratyaya or yang is not followed by ajadi pratyaya, we are not bothered. Yang begets a look. Okay, same form. Bu plus ya. This is not followed by ajadi pratyaya. So according to yangochi cha, bu gets a ya gets a lopa. Bhu, you have only bhu. But now since there is no yang, the san yangoho will not come and do abhyasa, etc. Right? At this point you have pratyaya lope, pratyaya lakshanam. Even the pratyaya is dropped, it will behave as though it exists. So you have to treat it in the same way. So because of that, san yangoho will come and it will do abhyasa karya. Bhu plus bhu. Then abhyase charcha rasvaha bhu plus bhu. Bhu plus bhu. At this point, you will have guno yang lukoho bo plus bhu. Bo plus bhu. Then you have yango va. Next sutra, yango va. Yango va. Bo plus bhu. Then you can bring in t also. Bo plus bhu plus t. Tip. Bo plus bhu plus t. At this point, yango va. Next sutra comes and says yangaha va. Yangaha va. The sutra says for yang also, yang when followed by haladi pit sarvadhatuka. Haladi pit, yangaha is panchami, va avyaya. Haladi pit sarvadhatuka. You have eat. Va. Eat vikalpena. For this bhu. So for this ti. So it is a tit adyantau takitau. So because of adyantau takitau, it will come before this ti. There are two forms now. We have bo, bhu plus e plus ti. सार्वधात का अर्धात के हो बो भो प्लस इति. देन यचोयवायवः बो भौ इति बो भवीति. Bo bhaviti. If it comes, this is the form. If it does not come, you will have bo bhu plus ti. सार्वधात का अर्धात के हो गुणा बो भो ती बो भोति. Okay, two forms, bo bhaviti or bo bhoti. Next in this group is a Namadhatu Prakriya. Namadhatu Prakriya is Nama means name, nominal case. So the nominal case, when Subanta form, if it is converted, if it is conjuncted with some pratyaya, it will become dhatu. It will gain the dhatu state, like you saw sanadyanta dhatavaha. San adi antaha dhatavaha. You added san and you made it dhatu. In the same way, some pratyas change the sup to dhatu. So because of it becoming dhatu, you bring in tip, etc. Dhatutvat tibadayah. So for that you will see this Namadhatu. For this you have this Namadhatu Prakriya. In Namadhatu Prakriya, it is Subanta which becomes a Dhatu because of some Pratyaya. And here we will have two important Kech or Kamyach. Two important pratyas, Kech and Kamyach. Kech and, you can say, and Kamyach. Now, this Kech and Kamyach, they are both used in the meaning, like if you have a desire, Ichcha for oneself. Or if you see something as something. Something as some other thing. Then you have this both pratyas. Ichcha for oneself means I desire a son for myself. Then you have Kech or Kamyach. Something you see as some other thing means I see my disciple as my son. There also Kech and Kamyach will come. So the example given in the Laghu Siddhanta is Atmanaha Putram Ichchati. Atmanaha for oneself, Putram son, Ichchati desires. He desires son for oneself. So that is the example you see. So what is the sutra which brings in this Kech? Supa Atmanah Kech. Supaha Atmanaha Kech. With super in Atmartha, in fact the super and the Kech will be fifth Panchami. Kech will come. Kech is Prathama. So the Subanta will get a Kech. There he says Ichha Karma, if has a direct relationship with the Ichha Karma Karta, if it has a direct relation with the Ichha Karma Karta, then for that kind of Subanta, for this kind of Subanta, you have a Kyach or Kamyach also. Subhatmana Kyach, Kamyacha. Kamyat cha. Kamyat prathama cha avyaya. Kamyach cha. Kamyach cha. In Kamyach, chakara is low. Chakara gets lopa halantyam. In Kyach, chakara halantyam. Kakara la shakuata dite. Only here remains. Okay. Now you have this statement. Atmanaha Putram Ichhati. Atmanaha Putram Ichhati. The Ichha Karta is the same as it has the relationship with the self. Atmanaha. The karma and the karta, they have a connection. Therefore, with this nama dhatu, putram, you bring in kech or kyan, kamyach. Putram plus kech, we'll do kech first. Okay. Putram plus kech. Next sutra comes supo dhatu pratipadika yoho. Supo dhatu pradipadikiyoho. Dhatu pradipadikiyoho. Dhatu pradipadikiyoho. Supaha. Dhatu pradipadikiyoho. Panchami. Supaha. Sashti. No, both should be Sashti. Dhatu pradipadikiyoho supaha. Dhatu or prati Padika, for dhatu or pratipadika, sup gets a lopa, look or lopa. You can just say lopa. Actually, it is a pratyasya lukshu lopaha. You have look, you can say lopa. Dhatu and pratipadika sup gets look. You have dhatu pratipadika putram. This has gained a dhatutva sanya here because of kech. Therefore, this is an important sutra. Even in all the samasas, you will have this sutra. Supo dhatu pratipadikyo. When you add to nominal cases, then the subanta should be dropped, and that is done by the sutra. Supo dhatu pratipadikyo. Okay. Now, because of this, you drop the subanta. Putra plus plus in kech only ya remains. Ya. Subho dhatu pratipadikyoho. You drop putra plus ya. At this point, you say kechi cha. Kechi cha. Some places kechi api. You have kechi api. So kechi cha, kechi saptami cha avyaya. The sutra says when kech follows also. When kech follows, what happens? Avarna will get e varna. Avarna becomes e varna. A becomes e when followed by kech. You have a and it is followed by kech. Therefore, this becomes E, not rasva E. E. So, Putri plus ya, putriya. Putriya, now it has become a dhatu. Now you will bring in tibadi, dhatutvat tibadi. Putriya plus ti. Kartari shap ato gune putriyati. Putriya plus a plus ti, putriya plus ti, putriyati. Kartari shap will not bring in any change. Ato gune you will have only ek rupa, pararupa. Putriyati. Okay, putriyati means atmanah putram ichchati iti putriyati. Desires son for oneself. Now you bring in kamyach. Putriya plus putram plus instead of kyach you will bring kamyach. Kamyach, kamya remains. Putra plus plus kamyach. Subho dhatu pradipadikiyoh, you drop it. Putra plus kamya. Putra kamya. Plus with putra kamya you bring in ti. Tip, shap, etc. Putra kamyati. Putra kamyati or putriyati, same meaning. Atmanah putram ichchati, putriyati. Atmanah putram ichchati iti putra kamyati. Both same meaning. Okay, this is when you bring in kech or kamyach. We'll see. Harihi Om.